Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me a great pleasure and privilege to invite you in our continuous series on audio lectures on legal subjects. My name is Steve Cornelius, and it is with this gladness and this gratitude that I'd like to welcome you to the administrative law class. John Stuart Mill, in his book on liberty, he stated, and I quote, "The only purpose for which power can be rightfully exercised over any member of a civilized community against his will is to prevent harm from others." Now, it is imperative and it is important for us to understand from the onset what administrative law is and what it concerns. In our continued lectures, we have revisited various topics and we have looked at various subjects as far as the legal profession is concerned. We at Lacy Information believe that audio courses make education and learning not only easier, but also it makes it enjoyable, that when you understand as you drive along the road and when you're in a position to listen and learn, then you enjoy it during your own time and free space. In the law of administration law, as we call it, we shall have 5 major lectures which we're going to look at. We'll have from the beginning an introductory lecture which shall bring us to the understanding what administrative law is, in definition and also in meaning. We'll look at the concerns of administrative law. What are the functions, ladies and gentlemen, and purposes of administrative law? This shall usher us to lecture number 2, in which we shall look at the historical background of administrative law. Basically, we shall go to England, have a look at how it grew in the English jurisdiction under the common law, and also have an introductory as far as administrative law is concerned in the Kenyan jurisdiction. And at lecture number 3, we shall revisit the rule of natural justice, where we shall look at the rights and the duties that befall as far as parties are concerned when applying administrative law and also when they're carrying out their orders and duties. Lecture number 4, we shall look at the judicial control of administrative action, where the courts comes in and really brings out the orders which we may look at in terms of mandamus, certiorari, and other administrative orders that may be given by a court of law. Finally, we shall revisit a new subject which embodies the office of ombudsman. It's quite a new concept. We shall look at historical perspective as far as that concept is concerned and whether it is applicable in the Kenyan jurisdiction. With that, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome you to lecture number 1 and thank you for joining me aboard. I hope you have a great time and a great enjoyable moment as you join me in administrative law.